Good morning, kindergarten writers. Please take out your pink writing workshop folder and let's begin. I'm going to have you refer back to this page that's in the beginning of your folder, and it explains to us how we are going to proceed with opinion writing. So, if you remember from Wednesday, when we have opinion writing, the first thing we need to do is think. Think about the question that is asked. Then we're going to decide how we feel about it. And then finally, we're going to explain with a picture and our words why we feel that way. Okay? So, also in your Writer's Workshop folder, I included this page, which gives you some examples of how you can explain why or tell why. I think green apples are the best because all of these sentences begin with I or in my opinion. And then they have because. The because is our telling why. So we need to use this word, because. That's an important word when we're stating our opinion. Okay? Now, let me pull up this example again. And this is a great example of how we do our opinion writing. So the first thing we always want to begin with is stating our opinion and repeating the question. I think apple slices are the best way to eat an apple. The question was, what is the best way to eat an apple? So the person said what their opinion is and restated the question. Okay? Then they gave some reasons or their because. You see, because is used here and here in their writing. I like them because I can dip them in caramel. I also like them because I can pack them in my lunch. You just need to give me one because sentence. Okay? And then you finish up with your opinion. Okay, that's your closing. Today, we're asking the question, which hibernating animal would you prefer to be? So we have some options, a bear, a raccoon, or a snake. Or you obviously have the choice to choose something completely different. You may not want to be a bear, a raccoon, or a snake. So think about this. Which hibernating animal would you prefer to be? Now decide. Would you like to be a bear, a raccoon, or a snake, or maybe something else? And then finally, we're going to explain why, okay? So you're going to open up your Writer's Workshop. You're going to find this page. You're going to decide which animal you'd like to be, and then you're going to draw a picture, and you're going to write about it. Well, I didn't choose one of the animals they've given us. I chose a squirrel. I haven't drawn a picture of a squirrel yet, but I need to go back and include it here, and then you draw a picture. But here is an example of my writing, okay? The hibernating animal I would prefer to be is a squirrel. Here's the question that I've restated, and then I've given my opinion. I think it's going to be a squirrel. Now I'm going to give my because. Squirrels don't sleep the whole winter, so I could wake up sometimes, okay? That's my why. Why do I want to be a squirrel? Because squirrels don't sleep the whole time. They wake up. And I finished up by saying, I think squirrels are the best, okay? So use this example. You don't have to pick squirrels. You can pick any animal you like. You could pick the ones given or something different. But you need to restate the question, give me your why, and then give me the closing sentence. Do your best work and good luck.